It's Marlene from PaperArtbyMC. Welcome back.
In today's video, I will gonna show you how to make fabric covers with perfect corners. This is perfect to use for junk journals and scrapbook albums.
These covers I used in my last tutorial of Junk Journal. So, if you want to see the last video, I'll let you the link below. We will start with 3 pieces of cardstock. The size is your preference. Use the fabric you want. Mine is cotton fabric. To glue the covers, use fabric glue, or in my case, I use double-sided tape. Put the cardboard covers and spine on the fabric like I show here. Use a rule for help you that it's well aligned. I use a tool for binding. This tool makes the process easy. For the corners, I use this tool, but doesn't necessary. Just cut the corners, let it around 1 millimeter. Then, cut the corners with scissors. It's time to glue the flaps. For this step, I recommend use a fabric glue or strong glue. Take one side, glue it, and repeat the other side. To make the perfect corners, glue it like I show you. Let it a little bit flap and glue together. How you can see, it is perfectly well joined and covered the corners, so repeat the step for the other corners. For the spine, just cut a bit like this and glue it. Let it dry. We're finished! So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!